Good afternoon. Steve Georgie here with Allendale's After the Bell commentary. We're going to take a look at a couple things today. We're going to go through corn, also take a look at the beans, and see what's happened here this week. We're going to start off July corn, old crop corn, down about 4 3/4 cents today. As you can see, we're kind of building this sideways range. We were in this nice downtrend. We had that quarterly stock report, and then here we sit. So, but as I mentioned, we were down 4 3/4 cents today. We're down about 13 cents for the week, and the big thing here that I think we've got to watch is the weather. We do have a warm up coming right in front of us. I know around us it's supposed to be up in the 70s over the weekend, so things are changing. And we've got some guys talking about turning some wheels central Illinois on south, and there will be some progress. But looking at some charts, we've got this downtrend that's in place right now. As I mentioned, we've got this big gap yet that's still ahead of us, but the sideways motion that we've seen, a couple points I want to point out, $6.10, that's this low that we've seen. If we end up taking out this low, it does open up the door. I'm going to go back to this last chart, but if we end up taking out this low, where does that leave us? That could be all the way back to June 15th last year, down to $5.34. So it is very important that we can hold this and maybe try to find some kind of strength as we move forward. But on the upside, this high that we've had up here, $6.47. So we've got our low 610, 647 is our upper end of the range. We may try to stay into that here until we see further planning or until we can get further along. But that's going to be the main focus here on Monday, is where do we stand as far as planning progress. Looking at beans, same downtrend, but we have seen a nice recovery in beans today. We ended up finishing down $0.015 for the week. So on a weekly chart, still not too bad. We saw a nice recovery here at the end of this week. We were up 8 3/4 cents today, but we still are holding this downtrend, and we've got some important areas that we need to watch. This high that we've had up here, that's $14, so we're going to need to stay below that $14 mark and also stay below this trend if we're going to continue to move lower. We've got this support that we have seen, we talked about yesterday, this low here at 13.31 3/4. That's going to be an important level to stay above as well. Otherwise, we're going to dip back here to that June 15th low and try to fill some of these gaps that we had made over here as well. But as far as the beans, we are a little bit overdone. We've got stochastics that are pointing higher right now. Things look a little bit better, and we'll see if the charts can move up to that $14 area again next week. But some of the outside markets today, just want to mention a couple. The dollar down about 26 cents. You got crude oil breaking back a little bit, down 80 cents. So crude oil had a stronger week, but giving back some of those gains in the last few days. But the main focus that I want to mention on the grains, with this corn and beans, the weather has turned nicer. We still have some rain in the forecast here, but we are going to keep an eye on that here as we go into this, go into next week. The 1 to 5 day forecast has got some decent rains moving through certain areas, but the 6 to 10 day forecast still looks wet as well. So that's going to probably give us bounces in this downwards trend. So keep that in mind. If you guys have questions, we'd be glad to talk to you about that. We do cover a lot of other markets as well. You can see that right on our website, Allendale, Allendale.com, or Allendale-inc.com. But if you do, if you have questions, give us a call. We'll show you or get you a free 2-week trial to our website and allow you to take a look at that. But you can reach us here at 800-262-7538 or right on the web, as I mentioned, Allendale-inc.com. Have a great weekend, guys. Talk to you next week.